Fanuc, a leading manufacturer of industrial systems, presents the new iHMI programming and control graphic interface. Characterized by its maximum ease of use, combined with the traditional characteristics of efficiency and reliability, iHMI represents a major development in the interaction with Fanuc systems. Thanks to these characteristics, the numerical control systems equipped with iHMI can be programmed, consulted and modified by the operator directly on the production line. Simply and intuitively. It is possible to program both repeated machining operations in mass production and particularly complex machining operations that require different levels of customization. To support the new iHMI interface, Fanuc has designed a specific hardware suitable for all work environments. The console is safety-oriented and complies with ISO standards. With the new iHMI interface, the range of Fanuc numerical control systems meets all usage requirements. In particular, iHMI is used on the new widescreen panel iH Pro in a similar way to how smartphones and tablets are used. The iHMI interface is broken down into three main areas: planning, machining, improvement. The display can be customized in line with customer requirements and enables the addition of programs and applications. iHMI is designed to efficiently manage both general industry machining operations and highly complex projects requiring 5-axis CAD/CAM programming. For both types of machining operation, there are specific features, directly selectable from the home page. In the menu dedicated to workpiece programming, detailed information on the available programs and the estimated time cycle can be easily and intuitively viewed. It is extremely easy to import and export additional machining programs. In cases where onboard programming is preferable, iHMI provides a number of features, including highlight editor for assisting different colors to each ISO program topic, work and measurement cycles easily compiled thanks to its assistant graphic editor, onboard graphic animation for a simulated preview of consistency between the workpiece program and the expected result. In the case of machining operations requiring the use of a CAD/CAM station, the new PC operation feature enables them to be remotely controlled directly on the console of the numerical control system. The new 3D graphic simulation function, iHMI Machining Simulation, enables the machining operation to be viewed in advance and improvements made. The new Tool Manager app is an information database that enables the generation and management of the tools required for each machining operation. With the catalog function, you can enrich your own database by downloading new tool libraries from Machining Cloud. The cycle time estimate function processes the real machine data such as speed and acceleration, thus enabling an accurate estimate of the machining times. With the built-in 3D interference check, it is possible to monitor the machine axes in real time in order to prevent any collisions. In the event of a problem, the guidance table for machine alarm diagnosis function launches the diagnostics and tells the operator the appropriate process for solving the problem. Maintenance Manager is the application that enables the machine data, whether or not associated with Fanuc components, to be collected and graphically displayed, enabling predictive maintenance analysis in the context of Industry 4.0. Fanuc iHMI is all this and much more. Manual Viewer enables you to have all the manuals and necessary documentation to hand at all times, while Memo enables you to save specific notes, reminders and deadlines. There is also a web browser for internet access, and it It is possible to configure an ad hoc network for the MT-Link-I software, developed by Fanuc for the management of machine tools in the context of Industry 4.0. Thanks to one Fanuc solutions, the interface between CNC and robot has never been so simple. Quick and simple startup of robotization is in fact directly configurable through the app present in the machining section of iHMI. Fanuc iHMI, the fastest interface between saying and doing.